peeps? We are back at Busch Gardens Williamsburg. Yeah, surprise quick trip to Busch Gardens Williamsburg. We just want to share some updates with you, check on the latest status of Verbolten Forbidden Turn, and just do some stuff. So, let's do some stuff. Well, here's an update. As soon as we walked in, we came into the Emporium, and look at this new shirt. They've got this like 80s neon style shirt, but one of the reasons I want to show you guys, Verbolten Forbidden Turn is on this shirt. There's a kid size, the black version, and a hoodie version that has all the roller coasters in this like Terminator 2 font with Verbolten Forbidden Turn on the shirt. That's like one of the first pieces of Verbolton merch I've seen. For today's adventure, we are going to turn right because we were looking for the baby lambs, but where are the baby lambs? Tell us. So, Busch Gardens just posted on social media this weekend that they have some new adorable baby lambs. Hoping to get a glimpse of them. Sadly, they are not out. No. Struck out on the lambs, but one of the things I want to do is I want to ride the Loch Ness Monster. It says there's no wait. It doesn't look like there's a wait. But I haven't ridden this since it reopened, and we shared that experience with you. But I will say one of the things I've been wanting to do is add POVs of these roller coasters on our TikTok. You should definitely check us out on TikTok, Destination Geek HQ. So I've got a few coasters that I haven't yet added to the TikTok. So we're going to add Loch Ness Monster today. And make sure to check it out on TikTok. Actually, we're going to include it in this video too. Let's ride Loch Ness.
Upon a new team, welcome. We've just made a bit of a discovery for you. We found this craft washed ashore. Looks like Nessie found them. We're trying to find out what's left of the poor souls on board. The log says they were heading for a cave near the edge of the loch, but you could be lucky anywhere. So I need you to keep your eyes and ears open as the beast is out there. And it seems he's mighty hungry. Oh, wait. It's here. It says here, Team Dev Chase. We're gonna flush him with my huge teeth. Come on, stay safe. Do it safe. Woohoo!
Oh, Verbolton's running tests.
Right on.
Woo!
Hell yeah! Jesus! He's a little jerky. He's a little jerky. 70 years old. God!
Whoa!
I should have went up front. Sean would have won.
Good.
He died on the ride.
Woo!
Yeah.
Oh, God. we're coming in hot. You survived Loch Ness.
I did.
This is Jen's first time riding the new Loch Ness.
Yeah.
Maybe any Loch Ness. We don't know, but definitely the new Loch Ness.
Yeah.
So
Good. It was fast. I like the speed.
yeah.
Neat. Yeah.
Well, and one of the cool things is while we were on it, I could see, and hopefully it's still doing when we walk by that part of the park. Verbolten Forbidden Turn is actively testing. I saw the blue cars on the track at the Rhine River, drop. So, I think it's coming. It's coming soon. And actually, our luck is turning around because look, there are the lamb babies. Look how cute. They're just sleeping. Oh no, they're getting their face fanned right now.
They are.
Little lamb ears flapping in the breeze. Here, lammy. Yeah, he doesn't want to be on camera today. So, if you want to see the lambs, you actually probably want to come to this side of the stables, because usually the lambs are over on that side, but the lamb babies are right here on the other side of where the lambs normally are. And they've got their own little enclosure. Next up, we are heading into Killarney. What do we have going on here?
Well, we are celebrating the Food and Wine Festival, of course. My name is Lorenzo. This is my sister, Luciana.
Hello.
Introduce yourselves.
Well, how you doing? My name's Liz Anya. I'm your pasta chef.
All right.
I'm sous chef, the sous chef. And I'm the dessert chef. I'm Chef Cara Mel.
Ah, I like it. Nice to meet you too. Enjoy Food and Wine Festival.
As well, sir.
Bye-bye.
Ciao.
Walking out of Ireland right now, passing by the Hawaii Food and Wine booth. Just want to remind you guys, we actually did a Food and Wine Festival video. We did a few of them where we talked about the new dishes. We did our News from the Queue Food and Wine Festival Challenge, all that stuff. I'm going to link that at the end of this video. So if you haven't seen that yet, make sure to check that one out. It's been a pretty productive trip so far. We saw some wolves, we saw some lambs, not together, never together. And we saw the Loch Ness. What's next? We forgot to mention this in our last video, but the Royal Palace Theatre, where they have the summer concert series, has a brand new sign. Pretty slick looking. Next up, we are gonna hop on Griffin. Haven't ridden this one in a minute. And it says it's only a 15-minute wait, but if you look inside, it's a walk-on. So, perfect time. Now, what's interesting is we're actually here on Mother's Day today. So I wasn't sure how the crowds would be, but very, very minimal, which is great, because this is like the second ride that's literally just been a walk-on. Oh. Say ah. Whoa. Okay, so Griffin.
That's the right.
A little rougher than I remember.
Yeah, the roughness, it doesn't matter. That's such a thrill.
Yeah, that is such a fun
Fast
coaster.
as all get out. Love it. Love it. Love it.
Yes, it's a good one. That's a good one. And so we are just checking items off our list, like bam, bam, bam. Because next up, I think we are heading towards Oktoberfest to get a Verbolten Forbidden Turn construction update. We mentioned this in our food and wine video, but I'm going to re-mention it here, which is that our friend Angry Bear over there has opened up a wine bar, Front Porch Pours, which is a wine tasting featuring a selections of wines that complement the smoky, savory flavors of the grill. So the wine here is actually meant to be tasted with the flavors of Brazil. So it's like a wine pairing type of thing. But you can also enjoy it on your own. So good job, Angry Bear. We're proud of you. Bear, 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 Bear. We had to wait for Bear today. He had like a line. People were doing photo shoots with Bear over here.
I'm not going to recreate it.
No, but Bear, I do need to talk to you. There's no one behind me. Because Angry Bear opened up a bar. You have an entire open building behind you.
Maybe a photo booth.
Yeah, you need to open up something back there. I have faith in you. I believe in you, Bear. Last time we came, this was not open, and now it is. The newly refurbished Alpengeist refreshments. It just has Coke, water, ices, but they have turkey legs and popcorn here, as well as churros and corn dogs. So, all right here at Alpengeist Refreshments. And a reminder, Alpengeist turns 30 next year. Busch Gardens has not announced if they're doing anything for its 30th anniversary, but hopefully we'll see something coming to Alpengeist for the big 3-0 next year. So interesting little nugget here about Burgermeister's Hideaway. They have pickle popcorn. I'm not going to try it because it sounds horrible, but if you're a pickle person, they have pickle popcorn here at Burgermeister's Hideaway, and you no longer need a reservation. You can just walk in, grab yourself a cocktail, and some pickle popcorn. Would you eat pickle popcorn?
I would try it, yeah.
It's crap. As we pass the Puerto Rico booth, I want to ask you, have you done the News from the Q Challenge yet? The News from the Q Challenge is ordering the mofongo and the ropa vieja from the Puerto Rico booth and combining the dishes. Super yummy, highly recommended. And we are back at Verbolten to take a look at what has been going on since the last time we were here. This is new from the last time we were here. So they've done a total different design on the car. It's got the vines coming out of the ground. It's got Frau Hexel's magical motor tour on the car. So in front of the car, there's a little stand, and I believe this is for the new sign for the ride, because as you can see, the original signage for Verbolten that was up here is gone now. I don't know if this is new, but these roots seem to play into the new part of the ride. And even though we can't see her, Busch Gardens did release a video recently that shows that the Frau Hexel animatronic is in fact inside the Q building right now. You can see there's some wood still over where we'll see some screens with Frau Hexel and Broom interacting with guests in the queuing station, or in the ride building. Still some work to come, but stuff is definitely happening. Let's take a look over here where I think we can actually see some additional updates. One of the biggest, most obvious updates is that the VW Bug that was here is no longer there. The rumor is that has actually been brought into the building, and it's actually going to be part of the building. They're also actively testing. I can see them inside the building in the loading station. I think we're about to see the car come out. Let's see if we can get a better look. Oh, there it goes. You can see it's got the dummies on the ride. They're strapped in. It's heading down right now. Actively testing. There we go. It's testing again. Constantly testing. They're testing multiple trains. But we also have a much better look at the billboard. You can see the fake track next to the real track that goes to the left, that you're gonna turn right instead. You're gonna take that forbidden turn, because that's the way to the Black Forest, and that's the way to the not good area of the Black Forest. But there it is. And like I said, it's testing. So I would expect an announcement sometime soon. While we're back here in Oktoberfest, we're going to head into the Fest House because this new coffee and beer bar has opened. Fest House foyer serving. Okay, so they have iced coffees, hot coffees, frozen blended coffees. They also have beer, draft beer, bottled beer. Anything that you can call a brew, you can get here. So I'm wearing this shirt right here, but check this out. They have other old mascot shirts. Gordon, the friendly dragon. You've also got these guys. You've also got this kind of classic, you know, the old country, because it's got Hastings and all that shirt. I love the retro stuff. Keep it coming. And bring these characters back, Busch Gardens. I'd love to meet them again. Sadly, because of the angles of the windows and everything, we can't really see the Frau Hexel animatronic that's tucked in right behind this wall. At least that's where I think it is. That's where it's going to be. I'm assuming it's there now, based on the video Busch Gardens posted. Oh, there goes the yellow car.
It vibrates the whole thing.
Mm-hmm. I think they're testing 3 cars right now. I've seen the red, the blue, and the yellow. Yeah, correction. There's at least 4 colors, because there's the orange. Didn't see that one earlier. Last item on the checklist, a ride on Pantheon. Uh-oh. And that's it. We did everything that we set out to do today.
Do I have Tempesto hair? No.
No, Pantheon hair.
Pantheon hair.
Pantheon hair.
This is Pantheon.
Pantheon was fun.
It was. I've never ridden it before.
Yeah,
It's a
your
blast.
first time in a couple rides today, which was exciting. Exciting. Try some new stuff. But, you know, we did everything we wanted to do. We saw the lambs. We saw some Verbolten construction update stuff.
Griffin.
We rode some rides. Just a great lap around Busch Gardens today. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up on it. It really helps us out to know you like this type of content. And hit the subscribe button and notification bell, because Verbolten Forbidden Turn is coming. And you're going to want to check out our opening coverage and what we've got coming. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.